Thank you so much for participating in our RaidLog Practitioner course. This video is designed to help you if you're trying to register to take the quiz and you're getting an error that your email already exists. This can happen sometimes because the learning management system that we have, it's a little bit slow. We are upgrading it. It's a new system. And we do hope to have that resolved, but here's how you fix that. So what will happen is if you go to log in to enroll, and you try to register a new account, put in a username, let's say pmhappyhour.com, Kim at pmhappyhour.com, Kim, and then I try to create a password. And you go to register, sometimes you'll get an error that looks like this. Registration username exists. What might have happened is maybe the register button was clicked twice or there was a little bit of a lag. So here's how you resolve that. So we're just going to go to click on login right here. And I'm going to say click here to reset my password. My username or pass email is kim@pmhappyhour.com. And then I'll click reset password. Okay, password sent. Check my email. All you have to do is click this link to reset your password. Click it once. And there we go. Now we can log in. Come. And I can click remember me as well if I like. Great. Once I'm logged in, I can click here for the practitioner course. Click here to begin my class, RaidLog Practitioner Certification Exam. And away I go. After completing my 10 questions, I will, if I get 70%, I'll receive my certification and can share that with the world through LinkedIn. Thanks again for taking our course, and I hope next time you start a project, you'll be able to say, show me your RaidLog.